There's something about going away for the weekend and coming back to a clean house. It will make your weekend felt more beautiful because then you know when you're back home, there's no much to do. It's just to unpack your luggage and relax yourself. So I'm going away for the weekend. I'm going to see family. It has been a while. So I thought, you know what, before leaving this house, I got to make sure I clean because coming back on Sunday, I really don't want to come back on Sunday and start cleaning the house or start doing anything. Normally, Sunday is a day that I don't like to do anything. If I have any cleaning or cooking to do, I make sure I do that on Friday night or Saturday. Sunday, I just want to do Netflix and chill. I just want to relax. I just want to relax and watch Netflix and sometimes play games with the kids. If the weather is beautiful, I like to go outside, take a stroll, go eat some ice cream. Depends on the weather. So one thing about having a dryer at home, it has its good and bad side, okay? The good side, you can wash as many clothes as you want and put them in the dryer, make the laundry process a bit easier. The bad side is that you will have a lot of clothes to fold. Okay, if you don't do it immediately, as soon as you take it out of the dryer, like that basket of laundry, if I don't fold it immediately and I just put it down, the next one is harding on top. So sometimes I have those days that I have piled of dry clothes on the bed and I really don't have energy to fold them. So this is where everybody in the house, we all have to work as a team. This is when the teamwork comes into action. Everybody has to come. We all have to join hands together and fold the clothes because sometimes it can be so many clothes and I can feel a little bit overwhelmed, like, oh my God, I have to fold all of this. So that's when I'm like, okay, everybody make use of yourself. Let's fold something. So here I am fixing myself some breakfast. I like to eat before I leave the house, and now the house is clean. Everywhere is clean and organized. Trust me, when I'm back from the weekend, my weekend will feel so beautiful and relaxed because when I'm back, I don't have to do anything. So I made bladder cake for the kids and the bladder cake is finished, but I couldn't close the container because it was too much and I didn't want to squeeze the bladder cake. So I thought, what? Let me just put it in a plastic bag and just wrap everything and so that it stays nice. It was already cold because I left it for it to cool down before wrapping it in the plastic. Because if it's hot, you will see the steam in the plastic and it will become a little bit softer. And I didn't want that. So this is the outfit. Looking good, feeling good. It has been a while since I saw my wife, so I decided to pick her some flowers. Here we are at the station, going to see the family. Here we are in the train. It was a beautiful weekend and I really had a great time.